Hello, this is Bruce Clapp, and I'm the president of MarketMatch, where we help our clients strategically grow their organizations through focus, momentum, and results. And this is the next installment of the MarketMatch 60-second strategy. You see, today I'm coming from my kitchen, and it reminded me about the power of a recipe. A recipe is something that gives detailed instructions, and if you follow those instructions, you come up with a miracle, miraculous, great tasting dish. But in reality, that recipe was fabricated by trial and error over time. Probably many times that recipe failed and it tasted a little too salty, it didn't get done enough, whatever the case may be, it didn't meet the standards. So you put that in terms of your strategic plan and about what happens. You have to account for the variables. You have to do trial and error till you finally get the right way of putting the team together, the training together, the products together, and then communications to your members, your customers. That's when the magic starts to happen. But even when you bake, the outside variables impact what happens. If you are baking at altitude, like in Denver, Colorado, the recipe times and the amount of ingredients changes. And if you're baking in a high humidity area, like down in Florida perhaps, the recipe needs to rightfully change as well. So the same thing happens to you as you go through the year and you're kind of trying out your recipe for your staff and for your strategic plan. Things are going to change, and that's where the flexibility is the key to life, to make sure that you're putting those flexible things built into the plan, and then also have the mindset that says, hey, we're willing to adapt and change, but not unscripted. We want to follow a script. We want to do so in a way that's going to yield the best outcome at the end of your process. So learn more at marketmatch.com. Make sure you craft the recipe, follow the recipe, but be willing to change the recipe based on the exterior environments and impacts for your organization. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.